and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Stablecoin issuer Tether has minted another 1 billion tokens on the Tron network, bringing the total USDT minted in the last year to $33 billion. On August 20th, blockchain data showed that Tether minted $1 billion in USDT tokens on the Tron network and sent them to the Tether Treasury wallet. According to the on-chain analytics platform Look On-Chain, the Tether Treasury minted $33 billion in stablecoin tokens last year. The data platform said 19 billion USDT tokens were minted on the Tron network, while 14 billion tokens were created on the Ethereum blockchain. Tron currently leads the stablecoin supply market. On August 16, Coinmetrics network data showed that the network commands 37.9% of the total stablecoin market share, with over $61 billion in stablecoins in the blockchain. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority has issued guideline principles for generative artificial intelligence use in consumer-facing applications to safeguard end users. The HKMA, Hong Kong Central Banking Institution, introduced reforms to its pre-existing 4 pillars of guidance on the use of generative AI in a circular issued to authorized institutions mainly comprised of banks. The new principles were added to the 4 central pillars initially introduced for big data analytics and AI in November 2019: governance and accountability, fairness, transparency and disclosure, and data privacy and protection. China's Supreme Court and public prosecutor have revised their interpretation of the country's anti-money laundering law to recognize virtual asset transactions for the first time. The country adopted its existing AML law on January 1, 2007, making the latest revision its first significant update in almost 2 decades. In an August 19 conference, the Supreme People's Court and the Supreme People's Procuratorate said under their new interpretation of the law, virtual asset transactions are now listed as one of the recognized money laundering methods. It comes amid recent speculation on X that the country could be looking to unban crypto soon, though many are skeptical about it. Meme coin Floki will feature its Floki token and Valhalla game on various English Premier League properties as part of an initial 1-year contract to help boost visibility for $1.2 billion capitalization token. The English Premier League sits on the top tier of England's football pyramid and features 20 local teams. It is the most valued football league as per sports data site Transfermarkt. Floki tokens will be the cryptocurrency partner for Nottingham Forest. Their upcoming game Valhalla will feature on the back of the Sunderland AFC jersey and will additionally be displayed as on-screen ads throughout all league games. The team did not reveal specific costs for the various sponsorship, citing deal confidentiality. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.tv, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code. Mango Markets, a decentralized exchange on the Solana network, is facing a significant legal battle with the SEC over allegations of securities law violations. The platform's governing body, Mango DAO, is proposing a settlement that includes a civil penalty of $223,228 and permanently enjoining the DAO from violating Sections 5A and 5C of the Securities Act of 1933. The proposed settlement would require Mango DAO to halt all offerings, sales and resale of MNGO token on the protocol and destroy or render unavailable for trading, selling, offering or purchasing any MNGO tokens in its possession or control within 10 days following the entry of the final judgment. Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling solution for Shiba Inu, has seen a significant increase in transaction activity, with daily transactions rising from 1,736 to nearly 10,000. The number of active accounts has also grown by 360%, reaching over 1,100. This growth is expected to impact Shiba Inu's price as the broader crypto market shows signs of revival. Currently, SHIB has experienced a 5% uptick in value, pushing its market cap above $8 billion. The surge in Shibarium activity and protocol enhancements suggest a promising future for Shiba Inu with potential long-term impacts on the market. The Seychelles National Assembly has approved a bill to regulate virtual asset service providers in the country. Finance Minister Nadir Hassan introduced the legislation to mitigate risk associated with VASPs and ensure they operate within a legal and ethical framework. The new law requires entities to establish a company under the Companies Act or the International Business Companies Act, with applicants demonstrating a substantial presence in Seychelles. The legislation aims to balance innovation within the sector with preventing money laundering and other illicit activities, aligning with international standards. Status, an Ethereum-based decentralized messaging platform, is partnering with consensus-backed Linea to introduce a Layer 2 roll-up solution. Status raised $100 million in its 2017 ICO for its native SNT token, while Linea was launched last year as a ZK EVM Layer 2 blockchain backed by Consensus. They are developing a Layer 2 network called the Status Network, which will operate alongside Linea's ZK EVM chain. The goal is to create the infrastructure needed to support a thriving decentralized ecosystem of apps and services. The partnership will focus on decentralizing, sequencing, and providing processes for Linea and supporting initiatives in public funding, social applications, GameFi, and governance experiments. VanEck, an asset manager, remains committed to launching a Solana exchange-traded fund despite recent uncertainties. The project's future was sparked by CBOE Global Markets' removal of a regulatory filing proposing to list the fund from its website. VanEck's head of digital asset research, Matthew Sigel, clarified that the removal of the filing does not mean the end of the company's Solana ETF ambitions. The 19B4 filing submitted by CBOE on July 8 sought approval from the US Securities and Exchange Commission to list VanEck's and 21 shares planned Solana ETFs. As of August 9, the filing was no longer visible on CBOE's website, fueling rumors about the ETF status. Experts doubt the Solana ETF approval, with General Counsel Scott Johnson suggesting the regulator may have flagged the filings as improperly categorized, believing that Solana is not a commodity. VanEck remains committed to its Solana ETF proposal, reaffirming its position that Solana functions as a commodity similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Galaxy Digital has increased its Bitcoin holdings by acquiring 400 BTC worth $23.4 million, reflecting a strategic shift towards accumulating more Bitcoin amidst a volatile market. The company has previously primarily sold Bitcoin and had previously withdrawn 6,950 BTC from Binance. This acquisition reflects a dynamic and flexible strategy focusing on both acquisition and redistribution of Bitcoin based on market conditions. This purchase is indicative of a broader positive sentiment among institutional investors, as the increasing trend of BTC accumulation by companies like Marathon, MicroStrategy, and Metaplanet suggests a collective long-term bullish outlook on Bitcoin. Bitwise Asset Management has expanded into the European market by acquiring ETC Group, a London-based crypto ETP issuer managing over $1 billion in assets. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information and story, log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.